Welcome students on today's lecture on counterfort retaining wall. In the previous classes of this topic, we have designed the stem, we have designed the heel slab, we have designed the toe slab, we have designed the counterforts, as well as we have designed the stability calculation we have done. So let us see the reinforcement today. What all they have asked is draw the following views showing reinforcement details. First one is sectional elevation midway between the counterforts, sectional elevation through the counterforts, sectional plan at the base of counterforts. So first one is through the midway between the counterforts, and second one is through the counterforts. That means the counterfort will look. Now, initially this was the dimension decided. So the stem was of 200 mm by 6.75 meter. Then the base slab was 0.45 meters by this is the heel slab was 3.3 meter by 0.45 meter. Toe slab was 1 meter by 1.2 0.45 meter, and the counterforts had a width of 200, so 220 plus 220 440, and it tapers towards and joins here. So this was how the counterforts was dimensioned. Now initially when the design of stem was done, the reinforcement provided was 12 mm diameter at 150 mm center to center, and the distribution were 6 mm diameter at 200 mm center to center. So this was the reinforcement provided in the stem section. Then we did the stability calculation and the pressure distribution. Then we did with the design of toe slab. So the toe slab had a reinforcement of 12 mm diameter bars at 150 mm center to center, and the distribution bars of 10 mm diameter bars at 280 mm center to center. Similarly, for we did the design of heel slab, and heel slab had to provide a reinforcement of 10 mm diameter at 280 mm center to center. Similarly, here the counterfort providing 5 bars of 32 mm diameter, and the curtailment bars which were curtailed at 3 depths H1, H2 and H3, where H1 being the first bar curtailment and the 2 bars and the 3 bars from the top. Then next this was the reinforcement provided 10 mm diameter, 2 legged vertical stirrer at 200 mm center center for the connection between the counterforts and the heel. So this is how. So this is the sectional elevation midway between the supports. That means support midway between the support. That means counterfort won't be there here, but here the projection will look. So this is how the reinforcement is. In the stem, you can see the bars are of 6 mm diameter bars at 200 mm center to center. This one, and the straight one going 12 mm diameter bars at 150 mm center to center. In the toe and heel slab, 10 mm diameter bars at 200 mm center to center. This is the dimension. This is how the reinforcement is provided. Next is through the counterforts. So sectional elevation through the counterforts, that is B. So here again the same bars will be there which is present here, that is 6 mm diameter bar at 200 center center, and 12 mm 5 bars at 150 mm center center, and 10 mm diameter bars at 200 mm center center. Apart from that, there are reinforcement from counterforts. So the horizontal reinforcement are 10 mm 5 at 200 mm 280 mm center center, and the vertical these bars are of 10 mm diameter at 200 mm center center. And here also 12 mm diameter bars at 150 mm center center, and 10 mm diameter bar at 280 mm center center. So this is how the sectional elevation of the counterfort through the counterfort looks like. Then the next was this sectional elevation between the midway between the supports. So here you can see. So this is how the reinforcement look like. So here it is 6 mm diameter by 200 center center, 12 mm diameter by 150 mm center center, 10 mm diameter bar at 280 mm center center provided. Similarly here through the counterfort, the horizontals, these vertical and these remain the same as the above, and leaving that horizontal at 10 mm diameter pass at 280 mm center center, vertical 10 mm diameter pass at 200 mm center center, and this is 12 mm diameter pass at 150 mm center center, 10 mm diameter pass at 280 mm center center. So this is how the reinforcement is done. So this completes the design of contour fort retaining wall. In the next class, we will see the next design. So the assignment will be given on this in the Moodle. Please do check and complete and submit it well within the time. Thank you.